doesn't make you strong, it makes you breakable. Hazing creates barriers between us, fear, silence, division. But respect, it connects us. It turns me into we. Stop building walls. Help us build a world where every student belongs.